So in a normal hurricane season, we see about 7 hurricanes in the Atlantic basin, but in 2024, we saw 11 hurricanes. That is above average, and there's 2 reasons for this. First, it is the emergence of La Niña later in the season, and second, it is that ocean warming. We saw record-shattering warmth in our oceans, especially in the Atlantic as well as the Gulf and around Bermuda in 2024 and much of 2024 at that. So taking a look at 6 of those 11 hurricanes in the blue is where those storms would be without human-induced climate change. But because of that warming of the oceans, the red is actually where that intensity was able to hit. So, for example, Debbie would have been a tropical storm without that ocean warmth. But because of that ocean warmth, it was able to make it to a Category 1 hurricane at its max intensity. And actually, all of these storms were increased by around 9 to 28 miles per hour. For example, Isaac, it would have been a Category 1 storm, ended up being a high-end Category 2 storm with that ocean warming. Both of our Category 5 storms of the year, Beryl and Milton, were able to make it to Category 5 because of that warming. Now, wind isn't the only thing that's going to increase in hurricanes because of climate change. This also has an effect on the storm surge. So as the wind pushes storm surge ashore, it starts to impact coastal communities. The stronger the wind, the stronger the storm surge is going to be. And also, as the sea level rises, that means storm surges are going to rise as well, regardless of that intensity. But as we have more intense hurricanes, we'll see higher surges and we'll see more inundation of structures and coastal communities as we have more intense storms due to climate change that's already occurring now, and we'll continue to see that in the future.